So it turns out that it's not epically slow. I just had a little bit of a lag on my screen, and my screen's still doing the lag thing, so this is very strange and awkward for me because I can't exactly tell what I'm doing right now. Okay, so where were we? Well, I'm new to the whole YouTube thing, and I thought I would do an introductory video for everybody out there in internet land and on planet Earth and on interweb land and, you know, pretty much wherever you will find yourself finding me, if I mentioned that before. I don't know. But, so today, we're going to talk about a couple things. Let me go to my couple thing list over there, which happens to be pretty epically funny, because I write in DaVinci, and if you anybody know Leonardo da Vinci writes left-handed, in like a mirror, so it's all backwards. So, thinking about you people, fine folks you are, who probably don't write like that, I wrote right-handed. But then, I didn't really actually realize, pardon my horrible French about really dropping the real bomb, that this whole recording thing flips it around. So it just so happens that it's perfect for all my DaVinci people out there, so all you right-handers are just going to have to stick with it. So take that, right-handers, and take that for society and stuff for, you know, just disrespecting the best Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle of all of them. I mean, Leonardo da Vinci's like bomb diggity. Okay, so today we're going to talk about, really, you know, we're going to talk about fame, and we're going to talk about radiation. That's actually not spelled radiation, but whatevs. So, really. Really is a word in the English language. Many of us drop it all the time. I personally have gone pretty cold turkey, but I dropped it earlier, and I asked everyone for my forgiveness, because it was a horrible misuse of just, proper English, and it's a shitty way to talk. And shitty is like a good word, better than dropping the real bomb, because we're going to go over this right now. Okay. So, English, ABCs, and 1, 2, 3s. Really. Really. So what is really in English? Well, where does English come from? English is a language spoken majorly. Is majorly even a word? I don't really know. Who cares? Whatevs. For the most part, English is spoken in two countries, the beautiful United States of the Americas, and, Great Britain, where English kind of came from. So we have the US of A. Woo, everybody, US of A, we rock, we're awesome. If USA was a woman, USA would be a big titty woman, But you know where I got that from? It wasn't me, but I took her from somebody. Okay. Yeah, USA. And then there's, of course, Great Britain. Great Britain. God bless the Queen. God bless the Queen. The Queen is amazing. We love the Queen. The Queen of England is just adorable, and I hope she lives forever, honestly. I hope that we just don't have to re-elect another Queen. And, sometimes I may be a little bit British, but you all are just going to have to deal with that, because it's not a very good British accent, and it's kind of, a rugged street rat British. But, I've been there a couple times in a couple pubs, on the streets a little bit, maybe in the yard a couple of times, but nothing I like to brag about, unless that was bragging. So that's, my make of the quick British flag. I pretty much did this whole thing in like 10 minutes, but, in case you count my whole life, it's been quite long for this whole scheme of, making my own YouTube channel, because it's quite amazing. I actually like it pretty a lot. So, what is really? This is real. This circle represents everything that is real. Really.